What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today on this entrepreneur vlog, I'm going to show you guys how I make my mango whipped, and I'm also going to show you guys how I make my rose gold serum. So right now we're going to start with making the mango butter. So first, as you've seen, these are all of my ingredients. Of course, I have gloves, I have my water boiling, I have my avocado oil, I have my mango butter, I have my measuring cups that I'm going to use to measure everything out. I also have all of my oils, my coconut oil. We have my tea tree oil, some lavender oil, and some rose oil. Alright guys, so as you see, I do have my pots double potted. When you are melting butters, always have them double potted because you don't want your butter to melt. I am turning my eye on medium. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start putting in my butters. So now I have my mango butter. This is some really good quality mango butter. This is 5 pounds. I can tell you guys a little bit about mango butter and its benefits. Alright, so some of the benefits of mango butter is that it unclogs your pores, which causes acne. It fights acne. It brightens your dark spots. It brightens stretch marks. It doesn't leave a greasy film, kind of like shea butter. And it treats eczema. It is very, very good for your skin. You guys, I love mango butter so much because it's so light and it's silky and it's very, very, very rich, and it feels amazing on the skin. That's one of the biggest reasons why I love it is because it doesn't just sit on top of the skin. It actually dissolves inside of your skin, so it doesn't leave that greasy film on your skin. So yes, that's why I just love mango butter. Alright guys, so this is just a mixer that I had for a long time. It was probably $30. I think I had got it from Walmart. But yes, that's what I'm doing. And right now I am just melting my mango butter. So you guys, I can actually tell you guys a few benefits of mango butter while we let it melt. Mango butter actually unclogs pores. If you don't know, pores is what causes acne. Mango butter also fights acne. It brightens dark spots. It brightens stretch marks. And it also treats eczema. So right now, y'all, this is just my measuring cup for my avocado oil, okay, and I actually put 2 of those in there. So you're gonna only see me put 1, but I put 2 of those. And you guys, there are so many benefits of avocado oil as well, so I just went on ahead and dropped that in there. And then we have coconut oil. So with that coconut oil, I'm just going to let it naturally dissolve, and I'm going to turn the stove off. Alright guys, so now we're just going to go in with my tea tree oil. I can actually tell you guys some benefits of tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is really great for dry skin. It's great for eczema. It's great for oily prone skin. It's great for inflammation, and it's great for acne. I love tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is actually my holy grail. I cannot flex. And then you guys, we have lavender oil. Lavender oil also has great benefits. It also helps with eczema. It helps with dry skin. It's very good for wrinkles. It fights acne, and it's also anti-inflammatory. Alright guys, and then we have rose oil, which is almost the same as rosebud. We're going to be using rosebud later. But the rose oil, it hydrates, moisturizes, and it exfoliates, and it also brightens your skin and reduces scars. So yes, this is how my butter looks. So yes. Alright guys, so now I am going to sit my oil in the freezer and let it freeze just a little bit, and then we are going to go ahead and start on our rose gold serum. This is very fun to make as well, so let's get into it. Alright, so these are my bottles that I use for my rose gold serum. So yes, you guys, we're just gonna go ahead and get started. I'm gonna let you guys know everything that's going to be in there. So we're gonna have some peppermint oil. Y'all, I love peppermint oil. We're gonna have some tea tree oil, some lavender oil. We're gonna have some rose oil. We're gonna have some rose petal, dried rose petal buds. We're gonna have some avocado oil, and then we're also gonna have some gold flakes. So yes, these are all of our ingredients. Let's get excited. So you guys, I already put some gold flakes and some dried rose buds on a napkin to make it easier for me. And this is just some tweezers that I bought offline a long time ago that I never used. So I decided to clean them and sanitize them and use them for this project. So right now, you guys, I'm stuffing all of them with some gold. I actually added more gold to it like at the end because I wanted it to be a little bit more thicker when it came to the gold. So yeah, I'm just stuffing and stuffing and stuffing them all. This did not take too much time, believe it or not. It did not take me too long to do this. So now I'm gonna go in with my rosebuds. So the same is with the rosebuds, you guys. I added a few here, but at the end of the video, you guys are gonna see I added more rosebuds. But you guys, let me tell you guys some of the greatest benefits of rose oil. You guys, rose oil is so beneficial, and these are soaking for days, so they're gonna be so infused with it. You guys, rose oil hydrates, it moisturizes, it exfoliates your skin, it brightens your skin, it reduces scars and fine lines. You guys, it prevents acne. Oh my gosh, it is so good for you, you guys. So now what I am about to do is I am about to go ahead and get started filling up all of my essential oils. So that is right now I'm just organizing. Okay, so right now I'm putting in the avocado oil. So that is how everything looks at the end. Like I said, you guys, I did add more gold and rose. You're gonna see. But yes, this is how it looks. It is so pretty. I love it so much, and it is so hydrating, you guys. You guys are going to love. So this is when I added more gold and rose. So yes, they are beautiful. So these are my tops. So I'm cleaning them because oil did get everywhere. So right now I'm going to clean all of my bottles because all of the bottles deserve a hand washed bath. So yes, right now I'm just cleaning all of them so that when I do put my labels on, it won't be so oily. Speaking of labels, my labels are coming in Thursday. So that's what my third entrepreneur video is going to be, about me putting on my labels. But yes, aren't they pretty? So I'm just going to put them in there one by one. But yes, you guys, the next video is going to be me putting my labels on everything. And basically, you guys are going to see everything that is going to be on my website for sale, which is very exciting. Alright, you guys, so yes, this is the whipped mango butter after. Alright, you guys, so this is how it looked when I took it out of the freezer. It is not completely frozen. I added more avocado oil. I added avocado oil throughout mixing it. So this was just a little bit of avocado oil that I had added. And I ended up adding a little bit of more avocado oil just to get it that thick fluff I wanted. So now we're mixing. Alright, you guys, so I'm just mixing. You guys, I mixed for about 30 minutes. I know that's exaggerating, but I did add it more avocado oil to give it that more of a fluff that I wanted. You guys are gonna see at the end, because as you see right now, it's not like super fluffy. Like, it's trying to get there, but it wasn't getting there, so I had to add more avocado oil. You're gonna see at the end how thick I got it to get. It's very thick and soft and creamy and silky. It's just magnificent. Okay, you can see here I got it a little bit more thicker, but I got it thicker than that. I had to get her thick, whipped. I wanted her looking like whipped cream. Okay, now you can see she's thickening up a little bit more. And that's kind of how I wanted her. But this was before I added the oil. I actually added the oil. I added a little oil here, but I ended up adding some more oil. This is when I added more oil. You see how it's whipping up, but I couldn't record or whatever. So alright, guys, these are my containers. So yes, we're about to stuff them in. I was recording with, you see how whipped I got it? I was recording with my phone, so you guys are not going to see me put them in the container, but these are my containers, so I'm very excited about that. you guys, if you have not, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I would appreciate it, and like this video. If you made it this far, I would appreciate it so much. But this is the end result of my mango butter and my rose gold serum. So this is how this turned out. I'm taking it out of the bag so you guys can see how it looks inside the container, because I filled it up to capacity. So yes, but yes, you guys, I am dropping my website soon. My website name is sheercoincidence.co. That is where you will be able to purchase all of my items, you guys. Yes, so that's what the entrepreneur vlogs are for. Oh yeah, clean up. But yes, you guys, thank you guys so much for checking out my channel. Thank you guys so much. Stay tuned for vlog number 3. I don't know when it's coming, but it's coming as soon as I get my labels, because that's what vlogs number 3 is going to be about. You guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. I would appreciate it so much. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much. Bye.